Harold was a great mentor. He was a friend. He was also my boss. And one day, we went out and we stood on what was then a golf course, and we looked out over, the greenery, the fields, the meadows, and we talked about how someday there was going to be a big hospital here. And he was the kind of guy that knew everything had its time, and he knew that he probably wouldn't live to see the hospital built. But he knew it was coming, and he was very, very glad that it was going to happen. And he looked at the cancer center and said, "This is the first step."
I've been a nurse here for many years. Over that time, I can't tell you how many times I've heard, "if only." If only we could provide more privacy for patients. If only we could provide space for families. If only we could be more efficient in how we deliver bedside care. With this magnificent new facility, those if-onlys have been replaced with realities. It gives us an environment and the tools that will allow us to do our very best work to focus on the patient.
Build it, and they will come. This has been an incredible opportunity for us to finally help us on the recruitment of our specialists. We've had a strong foundation of primary care. But on top of that, you need the specialty care in order to keep people close to home when they need care that is more advanced. Having two sites has been a great burden in bringing specialists to the area. We're excited to be under one roof for our most acute care, and we think if anything, this will bring the medical staff closer together.
I think I speak for everyone involved in this project when I say, what a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. What a gift to design and build a hospital and a healthcare system that will serve generations of our friends, our families, and our neighbors.
Back when MaineGeneral was assembling the team to build this project, they challenged us to find ways to use local labor. We had no idea what a positive impact that decision would make. The enthusiasm and dedication of the project team has produced one of the highest quality buildings, under budget and ahead of schedule.
We all knew that this was the right thing to do, and now was the time to do it.
Time and time again, this community has responded when it needed to help support great things going on in our community. And once again, the people of the Kennebec stepped forward.
More than 5,500 of our friends and neighbors from all walks of life have come together, raising nearly $12 million. Their names are etched in glass and stone throughout this hospital.
I know the commitment of the people here, of MaineGeneral, but also of this community. I saw it happen at the Alfond Center for Cancer Care. So in some ways, I'm not surprised, because this is the kind of community we live in.
The financial support from the community is really amazing, and I call the donors our angels. And it's to raise $12 million in a smaller region, but people believe in the project. They've believed along the way, and they all want to be part of it, and it's very special.
If you stand at the cancer center and you look across the field a little bit downward, and you see what's been built by the men and women of MaineGeneral and the entire community with their support and the contractors and everything else, you feel awesome.
It nearly brings tears to one's eyes to walk in here and imagine what is going to be happening here for many, many years to come.
A little more than a month from now, we will open the doors on a new way of delivering healthcare here in Central Maine. Less than 2 months after that, we will begin work at the Thayer Center for Health. Quite simply, we couldn't have done it without you. This project is a testament to your indomitable faith in our vision, to your unwavering confidence in our ability to achieve it, in your unsparing generosity, and to your amazing commitment to your community and its residents.
It's an incredible privilege for me to be here at this moment. Thank you for your incredible work and everything you've done to make this once-in-a-lifetime moment happen.
Thank you for teaching me about gratitude and about the power and the willingness of the collective to care for one another. And thank you for teaching me about community.
On behalf of the 3,000 workers, we want to thank the entire MaineGeneral community for including us in this wonderful project.
A special message to the donors, large and small. It is simply thank you very much for everything you've done to help make this happen.
Together, we made history.
Look what we accomplished together.